Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is a general overview of the Health app. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also visit richclose.com. Okay, so let's get into the Health app. The Health app is labeled Health. You can search for Health. It's obviously this white background with a red heart on it. And if it's not, you don't know where it's at, again, right, you pull down on the screen and you can type in Health, and certainly it will come up in search. And let's open up the Health app. And again, this app has some areas here, so you can choose what your favorites are. And I have several listed under my favorites. These are your favorite health activities, that is. And we'll go through some of this in the end, just giving you some idea of the screen. So, these are full of my favorites, as well as key points that Apple thinks are important to your health lifestyle. You can browse the areas of the Health app for key things like your activity, body measurements, tracking, hearing, heart, right? Give you some idea of all the main topics that are there. And then up in the right-hand corner, it's not very obvious, but there's a little profile icon. It's a little picture, it may be your initial, whatever that is, but you actually click on that, and that takes you into your health details to set up and store key information in the Health app. Okay, so let's just in general go through the Health app and some of the things that it can track in your life. Again, I think it's kind of a key attribute to having an iPhone, again, for anybody for their health. Again, important also for seniors, right? So I actually have an Apple Watch, and I track my activity throughout the day. Again, make sure that I keep moving, make sure that I keep exercising, and make sure that I keep standing up. And I have a goal to try and fill all three rings in every day. I do take my blood pressure every day. Again, if you're older like I am, something you may want to do. I actually have an Omrod blood pressure checker, and it automatically pulls my data, my daily data, into the Health app. It tracks cardio fitness. You can use, again, I'm using the Apple Watch, so I can get environmental sounds, exercise, hand washing, heart rate, meditation, respiratory rate. Again, I'm not going to go into these details. There'll be videos on each of these later on, but I'm just trying to give you a high-level overview of the topics that you can have in the Health app. So again, sodium, again, maybe you're high in blood pressure, so you can use an app that tracks your diet and then feeds that information into the Health app. You kind of think of the Health app as a summary, kind of a catch-all that other apps communicate to and store your information. When I go in for my yearly physical, I actually will talk to my doctor about some of the things in my Health app now. And again, it can keep track of trends, sleep trends. Again, if you have an Apple Watch, highlights of your workouts, right? So there's a ton of data available in the Health app to help keep your life healthier, right? So again, poke around in the Health app and start to use it. It's a complicated app with a lot going on. And again, there'll be more tutorials to show all the details as you go. Thanks for watching my videos. Again, please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.